There's around 145 million tonnes of C&D waste in the UK each year. Around about 60 million tonnes is currently recycled, and that's recycled very well. About 90% of that goes back into products, which leaves around about 85 million tonnes of predominantly soils, which there's an opportunity to recycle further. Around 2 years ago, Heidelberg Materials UK Recycling was born. This was created to achieve our sustainability targets. First of all, maximising circularity, transforming C&D waste into high-value materials. Secondly, reducing carbon footprint, cutting emissions through recycled aggregates. Thirdly, preserving natural resources, minimising our virgin materials extracted from our quarries. And lastly, building a greener future, innovating for low carbon construction industry. So, back to 2021, we didn't have any recycling depots across the UK as aggregates, as Heidelberg Materials. We did, however, crush and process recycled planings that went back into our asphalt plants. Fast forward to 2024, last year, and we produced over 1.5 million tonnes of aggregate through rapid expansion. That was done through acquisitions. We acquired Mick George in the Cambridge area. You can see the yellow dots on the map there, and also B&A, which is the red dot down in Bristol. We also opened 6 of our organic depots across the UK. These were opened on our current sites, our current depots and quarries. They're one-stop shops. They allow customers to drop material off on site, but then we recycle, and then they can pick up either recycled aggregates or primary aggregates, but also they can pick up concrete and asphalt. So, where do we want to go in the future? Looking forward to 2023, we want to be doing about 9 million tonnes a year of recycled products. We're looking for around 34 different sites. The goal is to ensure that we have a national network of depots and sites recycling materials going into either our own downstream products or selling to customers. So, a little bit more about 2 of the sites in particular. So our sites in Manchester and Bristol, we are currently investing in washing plants. They are going in at the moment, and we're hoping for them to be operational as soon as July. These plants wash around about 300 tonnes an hour of soils. So this sort of material I've got in my hand here, and wash them through to produce primary recycled aggregates. These plants have really become revolutionary over the last couple of years. They've changed significantly in terms of what they're able to do and the materials that they're able to produce. They have advanced scrubbers which remove contaminants into the final products. We've got high-powered magnets which take out the metals which we can then further reuse. Trash and organic screens to remove, as it said there, organic and foreign bodies, and then Also, cyclone technology. Cyclone technology allows us to remove the clay aspects out of the washed soil material and then produces really clean either 0 to 2 millimetre building sand or 0 to 4 millimetre concreting sand. So, where do we want these products to go? Into high specification concrete and also high specification asphalt. What's our vision for these recycle centres? As you might expect, we've got excellent health and safety records on all these sites. Our employees are well trained and have excellent welfare facilities, but most important is that we want our products to be consistent, compliant, and of a very high quality. So, last slide. This is our Mick George team. They're taking some of the soils off site. That then goes to our wash plant, is washed through and produces a primary recycled and a recycled sand. You can see here, this is a 10 mil recycled aggregate, very, very clean, very consistent, excellently graded, and again, a recycled sand, just a 0 to 4 mil that we put into our concrete products and concrete plants. Again, all made from producing muck-away and soils. Thanks very much for your time.